Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up your Atomic wallet in your PC. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead to your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Atomic wallet. So, here it is. And from here guys, all I'm going to do is go to this website which is Atomic wallet. So, here we go over here and let me real quick try to change the language if I can. So there is no way I think. So let me just translate it with translate to English. So here it is. And all I need to do now is pretty simple. Just click here to download the application. So here it is. And now choose whether you want it to Google Play, App Store, or your Android APK. So for example, for Windows, and just like so, I will just click here. Here you can put your email and you will be ready to go. So now let's wait until it's fully downloaded on PC and then we will have to actually install it in here. So let me just stop this and 2 seconds, 1 second, and here we go, ready to go. So it is pretty much simple now. What you need to do is click over here and start installing the wallet. After that, you just have to do the easy process of creating a new wallet, which is new wallets over here. Here you have to put your password, so something like that. Repeat password over here, and here set password. After that, it will start making the process of creating your wallet with this password, and right after that, you will get your secret phrase. So copy to clipboard, open wallet. After that. And here we go. That's it, guys. That's how you can create your Atomic wallet and set up your first wallet. And Atomic, these are your cryptocurrencies, your exchange, buy crypto, history, stack, and if you want to, NFT gallery, if you have NFTs, and here are the settings. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.